mention someone on Instagram story, first launch open the Instagram app. Now you want to tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of your screen. Now you can tap on this camera icon to click a photo or record a video, or you can select one from your gallery. Once you have selected that, you can add filters or audio. If you want to mention someone, then there are two ways. Tap on this sticker icon, tap on the mention sticker from here. Then go ahead and enter the name of the account that you want to mention, then tap on Your Story. This is one way to mention before you post a story. The second method is after you have posted the story, tap on your story. Here you have the option of mention. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select the account that you want to mention. Now tap on the add option. You can see the mention has been added. So these are two ways on how you can mention someone on Instagram story, and that's all for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.